Good morning. Today our topic is square of a number from 50 to 75. Now before going to that, 60 square, 6 square is 36 and 60 square is 3600. Let us fill this also. 70 square is 4900. Then what about this one, as I discussed yesterday, 55 square. Then whenever we now have a number ending with 5, this 5 is next number 6, 5, 6, 30, 25. This next number you have to multiply, right? The same way here 65 square is 6, next number 7, 6, 7 40 to 25. 25 is same, but here the number in the beginning will change. 75 square, 7 8 56, 25. Okay, this is all very simple. Then what about the other numbers? Here we have to use 25 plus n double 0 plus n square, taking the base as 50. Let us take 62 square. Suppose if I wanted to find the 62 square, this is 50 plus 12, means the n value is 12. So when you add 12 here, you will get 25 plus 12, 3700 plus 12 square, that is 144. 3700 plus 144, 3844. So square of 62 is simply done. Let's go for 68 square. Let us take a little difficult one. The 68 means 50 plus 18 whole square. So your n is 18. Now 18 if you add here, you will be getting 35. Oh, here we made a mistake here. That okay, 12 is 18. 18 means 35 plus 8, 43. 4300 plus 18 square. 18 square is 18 square. How much? 18 square 324. So 4300 plus 324, 4624. So that is your 68 square. Let's go to little. This is very simple. 52 square if you go. So let us take a simple one and a difficult one parallelly, so that we can understand, and the remaining you can solve. Now 52 square is 50 plus 2 whole square, so n is 2. When n is 2, it is so simple. 25 plus 2, 2700 plus 2 square is 4. So 27, 4 you should write 0, 4. Okay. Now what about this 57 square? Suppose if I want 57 square, I am taking a big one. So it will be 50 plus 7, so n is 7. 25 plus 7 is 30. 200 plus 7 square is 49. 32, 49. So simple here. 51 to 60 is simple, but here we have to add. That's why we are getting little complication. Let's go with a simple one to difficult one, like 72 square. Now suppose 72 square we will have to find. Suppose 72 means 50 plus you have 22. Now add 22 here, it makes 47. Now 4700 is there. 22 square is 22 square, we need to remember, that is 484. Now what is that? Before we got 4700 plus 47 plus here 4. 47 plus 4, 5184. We have written 61. We are actually it is 5184. Okay. So let's have a simple one here. See, suppose this one. Why? Because 40 to 60 squares are very simple. So because here we need not to add with the hundreds digits. See, 59 square, 50 plus 9 whole square. So 9, no? N is 9 here. N is 9 means 25 plus 9 is 34. 3400 plus 9 square, 3481. So simply I have got 3481. Yes. 60 square as of course you have done. So this we can easily simplify. Let us take one among this. I will take 66 square, maybe use many times. 66 is 50 plus 16. So 16 is your n. Now 16 is your n when you take that is 625 plus 10, 35 plus 6, 4100. 41 plus 16 square is 256. 41 plus 41 plus 2, no, so 2, no, 41 plus 2 means 43. Now 43 56. So you try for the remaining. That's all for today. We will end up